My name is Carlos Andres Maldonado. Age 28 years old. Occupation shooting wards. Marital status Frío Union. Birthplace Medellín, Antioquia. Family. We are 3 people, my wife, my baby, and me. Like boxing, fishing, sports, animal, the countryside. Dislikes the dentist. Early resize. Wash the chickens. Cook the head. Daily routine. I had at 4 in the morning to go to work. I enter at 5 in the morning. Lunch when I finish the first shift. I finish working day at the 8 o'clock at night. I arrive at the house at 8:30. I start studying and I go bed at 11 o'clock.